Xiaomi has released another Inkpalm, and it's been quite some time since we've seen any movement from the company. This is the Xiaomi Inkpalm 5 Pro. This is a 2023 model. This one has 64 gigs onboard storage and a faster processor. It also has a case that accompanies the unit, which we're going to look at right now. We'll start with the case because you guys always ask us to look at cases, and we don't usually get them with our products. So this does look to be like a gel case with a nice kind of suede insert, so it's not going to scratch anything. And there is some Chinese scripture on the outside. It is a gel silicone case, so it does perform very malleably, and you can put that off the side. Let's look at the unit. This is a review sample sent to us by Xiaomi, so it's already pre-opened. Will be wrapped in plastic when it's new. You get some corrugated cardboard. You can see from the design inside on the inlay with a very hard cardstock, extremely hard to protect your unit. Let's put the, oh, is there a case in here too? There's no way. Okay, no, this is the accessory. You know what? Look, they could have fit this right inside there. No joke. And the USB fits inside as well, so I'm not sure why they didn't do that, but you do get a small little USB-C jump cable, and you get a 100,000 something Moan whatever, and look, a screen protector. That's cool. You get a screen protector in there. That's very nice. There's no need to buy any additional accessories with this thing. As you saw, it is a review sample, so it is pre-opened for us. This is a different color scheme as well. Now, there is a problem with this unit. It has a glass screen, so you can see it's very reflective. I don't know why they do that. I do not know why Xiaomi Moan makes these beautiful small e-readers. They're one of only 3 companies that actually make small e-readers, and they just are so stubborn to not put a matte screen on there. Now, they do give you a matte screen protector, so that helps you out, but the core of it all is that you're putting more and more things in the way of the viewable surface. So we'll do a first time boot up to show you what is all happening with this unit, and just a quick look around before we get into the review in a future video. You know, I gotta say, I very much like the Inkpalm. I've always really appreciated these. It is very small, you can see here, compared to a standard smartphone. It's also thinner and a little bit shorter. It's quite nice. You also notice that this is fully in English, so don't worry about that. You have your app manager, you have about device, system, factory update. Everything's going to be perfectly in English for you, even the subsections. You can actually change it to other languages as well as only a few. You can change your wallpaper, you can do all sorts of things on here. It is a very nice unit. It's also extremely lightweight. We'll get into that into the full review. And if you do the top drop down, you get a lot of things here. You get refresh, you get glow light, so you can do cold and warm with the temperature dial, change the contrast system wide, volume, and you can go into speed mode, which they call text mode, which is HD, or graphic mode, which is fast. This is everything that comes in the box with a full refresh 2023 of the Inkpalm 5 called the Inkpalm 5 Pro. Stay tuned for the full review.